Hello friends, how are you? My name is Divam. Welcome to my YouTube channel Divam's Incredible. Friends, today I am going to tell you about some facts about Gaganyaan mission launched by ISRO. Friends, I share very informative videos in my YouTube channel. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends and family members. What is Gaganyaan? Gaganyaan is an Indian crewed orbital spacecraft intended to be the formative spacecraft of Indian human space flight program. The spacecraft is being designed to carry 3 people and a planned upgraded version will be equipped with redundancies and docking capabilities. When Gaganyaan test will be launched? The test is scheduled for October 21st, 2023 at 10 am IST from the first launchpad at SDSC SHAR, Sriharikota. It will be a short duration mission and the visibility from the Launch View Gallery (LVG) will be limited. Which engine used in Gaganyaan? The CE-20 engine, hardware referred to as E-13, was selected for both Gaganyaan qualification and 22-ton thrust level operation. The journey to achieving 22-ton thrust capability began with E-13 HT-01, a test focused on engine tuning successfully conducted for a 50-second duration. What is Gaganyaan mission for? The Gaganyaan project envisages a demonstration of ISRO's human spaceflight capability by launching a human crew to an orbit of 400 km and bringing them safely back to Earth. According to ISRO website, the crew module for the Gaganyaan mission is in different stages of development. How many people are going in Gaganyaan? The Gaganyaan mission, spearheaded by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO), aims to demonstrate human spaceflight capability by launching a crew of 3 members to an orbit of 400 km for a 3-day mission and safely returning them to Earth. Which robot is used in Gaganyaan? Vyomitra, a female humanoid robot, will be sent on India's first manned space mission, Gaganyaan. The robot will be used to test the systems and procedures that will be used for the manned mission and to gather data on effects of space travels on humans. What are the 3 stages of Gaganyaan? LVM-3 rocket, the well-proven and reliable heavy-lift launcher of ISRO, is identified as the launch vehicle for a Gaganyaan mission. It consists of solid stage, liquid stage, and cryogenic stage. Who is India's partner in Gaganyaan mission? Space agencies of India and France signed an agreement for cooperation for the India's first human space mission, Gaganyaan. France has a well-established mechanism for space medicine. It also has MEDS Space Clinic and subsidiary of CNES where space surgeons undergo training. What is Gaganyaan also known as? Gaganyaan from Sanskrit Gagan celestial and Yan craft or vehicle is an Indian crewed orbital spacecraft intended to be the formative spacecraft of the Indian human spaceflight program. Where will be Gaganyaan flight test will be launched? The test is scheduled from the first launchpad at SDSC-SHAR Sriharikota. TVD1 flight test. The test is scheduled for October 21st, 2023 at 10 a.m. IST from the first launchpad at SDSC-SHAR Sriharikota. What is the total cost of Gaganyaan? The total cost of Gaganyaan program is approximately 9,023 crore. Who is director of Gaganyaan project? The latter recently received human safety certification. R. Hutton, project director of Gaganyaan mission, said during a conference last month. Which rocket will carry Gaganyaan? ISRO has completed the human rating of LVM-3 rocket, which will be used for Gaganyaan mission. On May 13, 2022, it completed the static test of a human-rated solid rocket booster HS-200 that will be used in the first stage of the rocket. What are the objectives of Gaganyaan mission? The primary objectives of Gaganyaan mission include demonstrating India's human spaceflight capabilities, conducting scientific experiments in space, and enhancing the country's space technology. What will be the duration of Gaganyaan mission? Gaganyaan Crew Module is a fully autonomous 5.3-ton, 12,000 pound spacecraft designed to carry a 3-member crew to orbit and safely return to Earth after a mission duration of up to 7 days. What scientific research will be conducted during the Gaganyaan mission? Scientific research will include experiments related to microgravity effects and space technology and medical science. What is the communication system used during the mission? The spacecraft will use radio communication system for communication with ground control. When real Gaganyaan will launch? The Gaganyaan mission is expected to launch in 2025 and aims to send 3 crew members into space for 3 days. I hope you find the video very informative. Thanks for watching my video. Meet you again in my next video. Until then, bye bye.